Guys, welcome back to my channel. So I was editing this video and I realized I haven't shot any intro for this. So this video is basically about waking up early for a week challenge, or you can say a week in my life. So hope you guys will enjoy this, and if you want more such videos, please comment down below and let me know. So this is my vlog kind of a video, and please bear with me, this is my very first time. So let's get started. Hey guys, welcome to the day one. It's 6th of September and it's 5:30 in the morning. I woke up like 5 minutes ago, and actually I woke up for these sessions which are about manifestation and law of attraction. It's basically about the magic book readings, and I really wanted to attend these sessions. These are really amazing and they are highly recommended. So I'll put their link in the description box. You can check out their YouTube channel for the recorded videos, and they also have live sessions on Zoom, so you can join that as well. Please ignore my voice. So I'll keep you posted here. The session is over. It was really amazing, and I have seen changes in my life because of these sessions. Like, I attended the recorded ones on YouTube, and in just 10 days I have seen changes. So that's why I decided to join these live sessions, which was starting from today, and I'm really excited for this whole month. So yeah, and also talking about the kind of person I am, if I have nothing major to do, or if I have nothing important to be done like in the morning, I won't even wake up. Guys, a big shout out goes to Ashna Hetke. She did this challenge and it's inspired by her. But the main reason for doing this was I wanted to really wake up for these sessions early, and now I have two reasons to wake up early. I'll go and edit my video because I have to post one for you guys. So guys, it's 12:30 now and I'll go off to sleep in like 10 minutes. And today's day was quite productive. I edited my video like completely today. Usually I edit my videos a day or two prior to the post day, but I was quite busy the past 2 days, so I couldn't make it. But I edited my video, I made the thumbnail and everything, I posted the video. But after like 2 hours, not even 2 hours, like after 3 or 4 hours, I have to take down that video because it had a copyright claim. So I have to re-edit that video tomorrow and I have to re-upload that one. But itna editing nahi rahega, like just the copyright claim part, I have to like replace that with something better. So let's see. Hopefully I wake up tomorrow as well on time. Good night.
Could be, for example, like, okay, it could be.
Guys, this is day 2 of waking up early. Those were the clips from today's morning. So a quick update about my day. I have re-edited my video and I'm going to upload it now. Also, I have a bunch of things regarding MEN to be done today. So it's going to be busy day today. Also, I have received my parcel from Indian Fashion Online, which is an Instagram store. I have ordered like 2 products from them. So if you guys want to see a haul video like of bunch of things I have got during like past 1 month, so I'll definitely make one for you all. Comment down below and see you at night. Guys, it's 12:30 now and I'm going to bed. So guys, it's day 3 and I was busy from the morning, so I couldn't shoot, but I woke up on time and now it's 6 PM and I'm shooting for a brand collaboration with an Instagram store. So I'll show you how I shoot, like for my YouTube as well. So ignore the mess which I have created here. This is my background drop. It's a curtain place actually. I usually change the curtains or I add a chadar or something as a backdrop. This is my phone from which I shoot, and this is my brother's phone. This is my ring light. Yeah. Guys, it was a very productive day today and I did a bunch of stuff. Now it's 11:30 and I'm going to bed because I'm tired. So good night. Hey guys, I'm shooting for a YouTube video now, which is already live on my channel. So link is here. Please go watch and send in your reviews in the comment section. But talking about this video, I was about to post this one before that one, but due to few reasons, I have to post that one first. No worries, this will go live next week. And yeah. So I'll add BTS after this. See you at night. Guys, it's 11 and I'll go to bed in like 15 minutes and I'm improving day by day. Yes, I'm sleeping earlier. So good night. Quick update about my day. I did a few work which was pending from few days and I completed that work, and then I edited my video which will go live on Sunday. I have to edit that video literally 3 to 4 times because the files were getting crashed and there was some problem, but still a part of that is left to be edited. So I'll do that tomorrow, and it's 12 now and I'm going to bed. Good night. Guys, welcome to day 6 and I'm editing my video, like the final edit. I usually use Vita for editing my videos, but a few of the features are not present in that, so I'm using iMovies for the complete edit, and I don't use laptop because मुझे laptop पे editing नहीं आती है. Hi guys, I'm going for a dental treatment now, so I am not sure I'll be able to talk to you at night. So bye.
So आप control करेंगे कि
Day 7, so it's end to this vlog or the challenge, like waking up early challenge. Hope you guys like it, and if you want to see more such videos, please comment down below and let me know. And concluding my week, all I'm doing is some MUN work or YouTube related work and attending those sessions, as my college is yet to start, so I have much free time now. So yeah, and today was also a free day, like I did nothing much. So that was it for this video. Hope you guys like it. And if you're seeing my face for the very first time, hi, my name is Muskan, and it will really mean a lot to me if you'll subscribe to my channel. So see you next time. Bye bye.